Hey guys, it's Sarah. This is Gracie. She's my friend, and she wanted me to do some makeup on her today, so I'm going to do that. She said I have total control, so let's see how this goes. First, I'm gonna start out with some Mario Badescu skincare. This is so weird.
What?
Because, okay, so she has the regular size one. I haven't had a regular size one in forever. This is mine. Now I'm gonna go in, this is just a travel size Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. I don't use this often.
You don't?
No.
I sound like am I like special or something?
Yeah, you're special. That's what I meant. I probably just got way too much.
It's fine.
You'll just be more pretty.
Yeah, we just need to really prep this
Just really, really well.
for all of this like glam that's just gonna happen today.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
I feel more beautiful already.
Great. This one is too dark. This one's her correct shade, but she doesn't have much of this left, so I'm gonna mix them. Okay, turn your head this way, please.
No, I just need to cover my tongue with foundation.
Probably like.
Oh my god.
I feel like we both just looked at the camera really judgy. No. Instant Age Rewind in
I wanted to get that. Is it any good?
light pale.
Ooh,
Yes.
that fits me.
It's good. Let's see, I need some powder.
Wow, I look beautiful.
You think?
My eyes like 10 years younger. I feel like I'm 8 again.
You feel like you're 8 again?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm taking some Coty Airspun in Translucent Extra Cover.
Some really good powder, aka that's what she means.
Yes, it smells like an old woman. Keep looking up. I'm just gonna bake since obviously she creases. Because, oh, she creasy. Oh,
Alright, now
she
look
creasy.
down.
Now look down. Oh, she creasy. I feel like I'm Morgan. Oh, she creasy.
I feel like you're trying to say, ooh, she greasy. Ooh,
Yeah.
she greasy.
Oh, she greasy. You gotta change your tone.
Oh,
Oh,
she greasy.
She greasy. Oh, shoot. That's funny though.
Okay, now that she looks like James Charles, I'm just gonna dump the rest of the powder that I didn't use. Watch this, y'all. This is so messy. It came at you!
Palette Batot.
Am I getting contoured? Oh my god, James.
I'm gonna use my.
Why did you turn around and look at her like that?
She barked.
You went.
Because she bought us. Okay, now I'm gonna use my crown brush. It's the Jumbo Kabuki fan. And I'm gonna take the two matte shades Princess Cut and Angle. These are the two I always use on me. Alright, we're just gonna bronze. I wonder if I can do this with my left hand. Probably not. Okay. Nope, ain't nothing, but it's just a stippling brush. And I'm taking my Wet n Wild Pearlescent Pink blush. Blush.
Okay. So you can choose your highlight. I've got a couple here. This isn't all of them, but
You can choose your highlight.
I've got a couple. Okay, so I have Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold.
No.
Yeah, I was gonna say I don't think you should do this one because
Definitely not a
it's
gold
a little
person.
dark.
Yeah.
Okay, then I have Stila Kitten, the putty.
Ooh.
It's really pretty.
Ooh, I like that.
And then I have, which I can mix like 3 or 4 if you want me to. Like I don't And then I have the Pixie by Petra.
I like that one. I like the
These
light
ones.
colors of that one.
Yeah.
I like
It's
that one.
this one is the Delicate Dew. Got it from Target.
Oh, crap.
Oh, I'm so glad that did not fall. Then I have Desi Katie. This one's kind of golden too, but it's lighter gold.
No, not
No, you
feeling
want
it.
that one?
It's pretty, but it's not me.
It's my favorite. And then also have Anastasia.
Ooh, that one's pretty. I want that one.
Okay. Okay, so you want all three of these?
Sure, have at it.
Okay,
Just
so-
paint my face in it.
Okay. So I'm gonna do this one first. It's kind of a cream.
That's why I didn't know I was on because we have 2 more. She's just right there with me. Okay. We love a good nose highlight. We don't have nose highlight when we have anything. That's a nose from me. Okay. So now I'm going to take my... Lexi 522 taper highlighter brush. Matte blue. No, aquamarine. Sorry, that is a name. Sorry, name them now. Yeah, I'm gonna make my own shade name. And then I'm just gonna go a little bit in the crease. A little under. Just introduce the color and blend it in with the browns. See how it goes, you know? Definitely wouldn't have turned out like this for me. It would have been like,
It's party, don't it? I'm getting a little bit of fallout from the aquamarine color, but maybe we can fix that.
We're fine.
But it's enough. Is it?
It's wet though.
But it looks so good, dude. Okay, now I'm going to take the same brush that I dipped into here and I'm going to dip it in here.
I know this is a satin, but I'm gonna use, what do you call them color? Ocean blue. You can make those like this. I know, just by the names. I'm gonna put this on the outside.
Oh, what I was saying was the powder's going to help us define a line. I know
Maybe
y'all
it's
saw
a
that.
joke.
Okay, I'm going to go back in.
Why are you sneezing? It's allergy
It's
season.
allergy season. Don't mind her.
Instead of spook season, allergy season.
It's Phoebe. What, baby? What is it? What is it? Okay, what's the
Navy blue, I would say, and I'm taking it at the very end of the brush. That way there's light pressure. And I'm gonna flip this out a little bit. Not too much, but just enough. Those were literally my words in my mouth that I was about to say. And I'm gonna put some of that. This is like a purpley shade. It looks kind of crumbly in the thing, but it was real pretty, so I want to use it. Kind of purple. Purple blue. It's kind of purple blue. And I love to layer colors, and especially when I'm doing an all color look, like you want to have dimension, you know? Because we have dimension, like, I know we got some stuff going on back here at Best Man, but look, I like to sit there and how my crease looks. My crease has never looked this good, like my eyes are like, thank you, Sarah, my gosh. Okay, now I'm gonna take, oh, hell the queen, I'm gonna take this cream, and I don't know how this is gonna look, but I'm sure it can't look too bad. So I'm gonna take a little bit on the inner corner, just enough. And I'm gonna take some of the Morphe Prep and Sip again. Okay, Miss Green. It's more muted than the other one. And I'm gonna take this one in the inner corner a little bit too. Oh yeah. That's what we did.
Alright, so now I'm taking a...
Highlighter. Let's see exactly what it's called. Holographic highlighter. Okay, so I'm gonna take a black, blonde. A blonde eyeliner. And this is my unique brush. It's called the Deluxe brush. It's just kind of a... I have one like this from e.l.f. It works the same. I just happen to have this one. And I'm going to kind of set, and then I'm going to smudge out that black eyeliner. And I'm going to schmuck it. Oh wait, smoky
are snatched.
Alrighty guys, so we just finished. I'm gonna do some close-ups of her makeup. I think it looks really good. I've never done like a blue eye or really any color eye, really, honestly. Like
Nudes
for real,
for life.
I swear, like real makeup. Like I've never.
Like, I mean, like, honestly, I feel like I'm ready for a movie.
Yeah, like, I really like it. I could have taken the blue a little bit farther up, but
I think
I still think it looks
yeah,
good.
I think it looks really good.
Yeah. So, anyway, thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all learned something from this. I hope that I could, inspire you to do more color, because I mean, you can just do like a little bit, like, a little bit of color in the crease, on the lid, something. You can even do a little bit on the lower lash line and look really good, make your eyes pop if you have the right color. So anyway, hope y'all have a good day.